driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the fall, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Break the cycle now, walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look my fear right in the eye. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel
Welcome back, car enthusiasts. It's your DCS right here in another video. So this time it is the Hot Wheels series. Whoa, hold it right there. It ain't the Hot Wheels series, cause it's the pullback action 132 scale metal car. It is the diecast series, guys, and it's from RMD. Alright, honestly speaking, I don't know, I mean, I never heard of this brand before, but it had a cool car in it, so I had to grab it. It's the Chevy Corvette C6.R, the very famous Le Mans race car. It's extremely loud, guys, way too loud, and also this car has a lot of reputation in the Le Mans races. And before we get to that, I just wanted to say to all the new people watching this video, please hit that subscribe button down there and also press the bell icon for more of my video updates. It'll be coming out every weekend, so check it out. And also, moving on to the Corvette, this car is so damn special. It had two models, the G1 model from 2005 to 2009, and those G2 models from 2009 and 2013 to 2013. And also, this car is so special because it had the roll cage integrated to the chassis for extreme stiffness, and it also has a roll cage inside. I'll show you in a bit. So yeah, this car also did 182 mile per hour in the Mulsanne straight. That is extremely cool. I mean, it's not so great now, but it was the fastest GT car back in those days. That's really cool. So let's discuss more in the information. For now, let's talk about the previous video which I uploaded. Oh yeah, it was the 64 Buick Riviera. Check that out. That 17 feet long car. It'll be up in the screen right here. Alright, going for the Corvette. I just want to look at it right now. So let's unbox this thing. That was pretty quick. Alright guys, so here it is. The car is out of the box. The Corvette C6.R. It looks amazing. It has a slick body design which looks good and also feels good. Yeah, the metal on this body, it's so damn nice. I really like that, and the detailings are extreme. They're so damn cool. And look at the front, it's so amazing. With the doors open, it looks really awesome. And yeah, it also has that original BDS racing wheels which it had in the race during the Le Mans series. That's so cool, guys. And it also has that side integrated exhaust, like just like those Dodge Vipers. That's really amazing. And on the inside, you've got the roll cage which I was telling you about. That's really cool. It has a lot of details on the inside. That's really cool. I really like that. And from the outside, the roll cage looks pretty damn slick. It's so amazing. And you have got that humongous spoiler right here which suits this car. Well, that's pretty much it on this car. And at the rear, you haven't got much. You have got the Corvette logo, but rather than that, it's just your average Corvette. It looks pretty simple at the rear. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. You've got that huge hood lamp too. That's really nice. It pretty suits it. You've got a few bits over here which aren't really carved properly, but rather than that, it's really nice. I really like the design too, and the metal body too. So why don't we just hear it out? You know, the pullback action. So here it goes. Oh, pretty rough, just like the engine does. Alright guys, so let's see what we got under the hood. Alright, so let's talk Chevy Corvette C6.R. It is the short information, guys, of the Chevy Corvette C6.R right here. So I'm just gonna start off with the engine. The engine is a 7-liter LS7 V8 overhead cam V8, guys. So this had also come in two more options. That was a 6-liter same V8 and also a 5.5-liter V8. These engine options were there in the GT2 models, and this car is a rear-wheel drive. Talking about its transmission, the transmission is your old school 6-speed X-Track sequential manual, guys, which is really fun to shift and also better. Well, talking about the acceleration time, guys, the acceleration time of this Corvette is 3.1 seconds, which I guess back in those days were really good. Well, talking about the top speed is claimed to be 202 miles per hour, but I'm not exactly sure about it. But people say that it's 202 miles per hour, which is 325 kilometers per hour. Talking about its horsepower, guys, the horsepower in this car is 590 brake horsepower. I guess similarly, back in those days, these powers were, you know, much more better. And talking about the price, guys, I'm extremely sorry about that. I really couldn't find out the price of this car because, you know, this is more like a performance car and more track. Well, there it is, guys. That is the short info. It is the end of the information. So let's go for the ratings. So the ratings, looking at its beautiful design and its okay type of information, I give it a 9 out of 10, guys. It deserves that number. So comment your ratings. I'm really interested to see that in the comment box. And also, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It is the end of the video, guys. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for my next week's video. Bye-bye now.